The Strength to Breathe by Peter Gracey. The greatness in me is yet to come, as long as I have the strength to breathe. To know myself and to know my worth is to know my God indeed. There is no such thing as I can't. There is no such thing as fear. Only false evidence appearing real, and the ones who do not care. I will not lean on my own understanding and find what my purpose serves, and trust in God and not in man while I experience my time on earth. I am balanced and I am focused. I was born to first follow, then lead. I will only love and never judge as long as I have the strength to breathe.